is a favorite of the police and the military. This breed has the main characteristics of a reliable guard dog. They are loving and courageous, as well as very intelligent. While these dogs don't weigh as much as one might expect, they are quite physically capable and will easily scare off almost any intruder before they have to act. Avoiding threats is one of the main strengths of this breed. You will find that most German Shepherds are deeply affectionate, but they are also very sensitive and quite demanding. Be prepared to spend time interacting with your intelligent dog, or you may find that he has behavioral problems. One of the most dangerous dog breeds in the world is the pit bull. Although it will come as no surprise to many people who study dangerous dog breeds. The pit bull is the most dangerous dog breed. According to the aforementioned study, over a 13-year period, pit bulls were responsible for 284 deaths. Nearly two-thirds of all fatal dog attacks in the United States.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
Another reason pit bulls are the most dangerous dog breed is their large size, up to 80 pounds, strong jaws, and high kill instincts. Humans and other animals don't stand a chance against a pit bull. However, many people insist that these animals are simply a product of their upbringing and keep adorable pit bulls as pets. American Bulldog. The American Bulldog is one of the most dangerous dog breeds in the world. Unlike their British counterparts, the American Bulldog is still a powerful animal. Standing just 30 inches tall, these dogs can pack on muscle and weigh over 100 pounds. They are big and strong dogs that become very dangerous when attacking. During this 13-year study, American Bulldogs were responsible for 15 deaths, which is about 3.5% of all fatal attacks. While this is not a large number, it is significant when you consider that this breed is rarely listed alongside some of the other dangerous dogs. Siberian Huskies are prized for their wolf-like appearance and are considered one of the most dangerous dog breeds in the world. Husky is used as a sled dog in the coldest regions of Canada and the United States. Although they only weigh 60 pounds, they are very independent and strong animals for their size. These dogs are highly motivated by catching prey. Most creatures smaller than them, including children, can seem like prey to them. In this case, it's their survival instinct that gets them into more trouble. In the study we mentioned, Huskies were responsible for 3% of fatal attacks. Another reason pit bulls are the most dangerous dog breed is their large size, up to 80 pounds, strong jaws, and high kill instincts. Humans and other animals don't stand a chance against a pit bull. However, many people insist that these animals are simply a product of their upbringing and keep adorable pit bulls as pets.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.